everybody. Thanks for stopping by. Some of you may be thinking, where have I seen this guy before somewhere? Well, if you've visited any of the Star Wars Celebration conventions in the last 18 years, you may have popped by my booth at the Star Wars Diorama Builders. We've been doing this since 2002, and DioramaWorkshop.com is my official site for everything that's related to our booth at the Star Wars conventions. All the builds that we built over there, and now that you can continue the adventure here at home, this is where you're going to find all the blueprints, decals, tutorials that we used at the show, plus some other exciting stuff from my career in movie effects, working at ILM, my dream job, and all kinds of cool Star Wars toy collecting, prop collecting, book reviews, all kinds of stuff. Really interesting. So if that's something that interests you and you want to bring home some of your Star Wars Celebration adventure at home, or just check out some of the builds that we do over here, well, make sure to subscribe, like, share with your friends, spread the word for the love of dioramas, and together we should make all kinds of cool stuff. So that's pretty much it. Make sure to check me out on the website version, which is dioramaworkshop.com. That's where you find all the blueprints, the decals, and the picture making ofs versions of the video version that you see here on YouTube. And you see all kinds of galleries, cinema comparisons, and all kinds of cool stuff like that too. You can catch me on Facebook, and you can catch me on Twitter as well, and Instagram. The links are on the website at the top of the page. So yeah, I'm really happy that you came here. I'm trying to do this in one take to make it sort of like less, like, well, I don't want to say professional, but I wanted more of my personality to come in through the camera instead of reading dialogue. So I'm starting to ramble on. So I think I'm going to stop it here, and thank you again for visiting the channel. Make sure to check the videos and spread the love. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching DioramaWorkshop.com. If you want more interactivity, you can follow us on these multimedia platforms. If you have a question about past or future Star Wars Celebration workshops, send me an email at dioramaworkshop.com@gmail.com. If you have a Facebook account, join the official Star Wars Celebration Diorama Builders fan club today. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, and tell your friends to come check us out. If you want to see even more Star Wars Celebration crew coverage, click on the link to warp to dioramaworkshop.com, the official Star Wars Celebration Diorama Builders website.